4 мільйони і вже більш ніж 1,5 мільйони законтрактовано. Вже застосовуємо абсолютно новий клас української зброї – далекобійну ракету «Дрон».
At the end of last year, President Zelensky announced that Ukraine could produce up to 4 million drones annually. Back in 2023, the Ukrainian government had set its annual drone production target at 1 million, a four-fold increase in just a year. This sharp rise highlights the growing significance of drones in the Ukraine war. In fact, it would not be an exaggeration to say that the war in Ukraine has ushered in the era of drones. Since the war began in February 2022, the battlefield has been dominated by countless drones rather than tanks or fighter jets.
Ми бачимо, що там їде танк, то ми заряджаємо сюди кумулятив і літаємо до нього з кумулятивом. Якщо бачимо, що там іде група піхоти, заряджаємо осколково-фугасний заряд і вже летимо з фугасом туди. Якщо це якась будівля, то заряджаємо просто фугас і залітаємо вже з фугасом в будівлю, щоб зробити там неприємніші.
Recent footage allegedly showing North Korean soldiers collapsing under drone attacks was posted on the social media accounts of Ukraine's Special Operations Forces, drawing significant attention. According to Ukrainian authorities, North Korea has suffered an estimated 4,000 casualties in the war. South Korea's National Intelligence Service places the number at around 3,000. The NIS also reports that North Korean troops are suffering heavy losses because they lack effective countermeasures against Ukrainian drone attacks. A recently discovered notebook belonging to a North Korean soldier killed on the Russian front in Kursk contained tactics for drone hunting. The notebook, written in Korean, included hand-drawn illustrations detailing methods to shoot down drones. According to the notes, 3 soldiers would form a team. One would act as bait to lure the drone, while the other 2 would take aim and shoot it down. While the Ukrainian military has stated that it is unclear whether this tactic is genuinely North Korean or something taught by the Russians, they emphasize that this strategy relies on using live bait. These accounts highlight the immense threat drones pose in modern warfare. One key reason drones have garnered so much attention in this war is their affordability. A prime example is the first-person view drone, a remote-controlled drone commonly seen in civilian use. Originally developed for hobbies and filmmaking, these drones have been repurposed by the Ukrainian military into lethal weapons. They are now equipped with cameras, sensors, rocket warheads, and even grenades. These drones can be operated remotely from anywhere as long as there is a signal. Their ability to surveil targets from high altitudes and launch attacks without warning makes them highly effective. Additionally, battery-powered drones produce minimal noise, making them difficult to detect until they are dangerously close. In addition, Ukraine's FPV drones are evolving rapidly. By integrating different components, engineers have extended flight duration and increased the payload capacity. They have even developed relay drones with communication equipment to extend signal ranges. Thanks to these advancements, drone-controlled distances have expanded from just 1 to 2 kilometers to several dozen kilometers. Ukraine has also developed drones capable of dropping 10 to 20 mortar shells in a single mission. In January this year, footage emerged on social media showing Ukrainian forces using FPV drones to destroy Russia's latest main battle tanks. Ukraine has also launched large-scale drone attacks across Russia, including strikes on oil and power facilities in Moscow and other key cities. Russia, meanwhile, is rapidly expanding its drone production and operational capabilities. Last year, President Putin announced plans to increase Russia's annual drone production tenfold to 1.4 million units. By 2030, Russia aims to establish 48 additional drone production facilities, reducing its reliance on foreign-made drones. Recently, Russian forces have used drones to attack Zaporizhzhia in southwestern Ukraine as they push to expand occupied territory.
І підбігши до шифонеру, мене вже завалило уламками, з-під яких я виліз і почув, що жінка моя кричала.
Like this, the growing use of FPV drones is transforming modern warfare. Both Ukraine and Russia are rapidly developing their drone capabilities and strategies. Another crucial point to watch is that North Korea is gaining first-hand experience in using military drones through this war. While North Korea has previously showcased its domestically produced suicide and reconnaissance drones, it had limited real-world combat experience with these systems. Therefore, their involvement in the Ukraine war provides valuable opportunities to both counter drone threats and master offensive drone technology. This combat experience could lead to North Korea integrating drones more aggressively into its own military operations in the future. However, FPV drones do have vulnerabilities. They can be countered through electronic jamming, anti-aircraft weapons, and small drone interception systems. Without adequate countermeasures, drone attacks can cause devastating damage, a reality evident in the heavy casualties suffered by North Korean forces in Ukraine. Drones are reshaping the battlefield and redefining modern warfare. As drone technology and tactics continue to evolve, the implications for global security, particularly in regions like the Korean Peninsula, become increasingly concerning.